This is not something you see every day in Pakistan. Shazia Parveen is the country's only female firefighter. Today, she's getting ready for a drill with her colleagues.
I knew I wanted to do something different with my life. Even as a child, I always thought that way. I also knew I wanted to serve the people. Firefighting seemed very interesting. No other woman had tried it before, and I wanted to prove that it could be done.
Shazia went through rigorous training for months. She was the only woman among 600 men.
My colleagues are all quite cooperative. I have been working here for 5 years and I haven't faced any problems. We work together as a team. Some of them were quite happy when I joined because I could help rescue women and girls, which they find tricky. Being a woman doing this job really helps actually. The Pakistani society is quite religious and conservative. So when there's a fire or any other emergency, women prefer to be rescued by women.
But working among men is still frowned upon in many parts of Pakistan, especially in the remote and rural areas. In Shazia's case, it's even more unusual.
Okay? Left side. I get negative remarks every now and then, but I don't give them any attention. I'm here to be a firefighter. I feel very proud of what I do.
In her local village, most women either stay at home or work in the fields. But Shazia's parents have always been supportive of her career.
I'm an ex-soldier and I wanted my children to serve this country. I encouraged my daughter to become a firefighter and even helped her apply for the job. I think we need more women rescue workers here.
Shazia hopes that other families would also encourage their girls to join this line of work. For now, though, she enjoys the fact that she's made history in her country. Shaima Khalil, BBC News, South Punjab.